Warning traveler, this video may contain the use of chemicals, glue, spray paint, and even epoxy, as well as adult humor, foul language, and bad jokes. Viewer discretion is advised. View well, traveler.
Hey everybody, welcome back to... Wait, that's... Oh, there we go. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and thanks for tuning in. Now, this little video here, I just thought, I've been... My friends and I, like I said, we've been playing Princess of the Apocalypse. That's what it was. We've been playing Princess of the Apocalypse, and my friends have been tweaking things a little bit. And for one of the games, part of the games that we have just like completely cleared through, we needed some crawling claws and some shadows, because just added a few shadows in there. I can't remember. We killed a lot of stuff in these past few games, but I'll move that. Okay. We've killed a lot of creatures in these games, and so it's hard for me to remember. But I do remember crafting these because we needed them, and it was just like, these are just some really simple builds. Now, I'm not gonna try to step on the toes of the Miniature Mashups guy, Dave O'Gara himself, because his channel is bigger than mine, and it would literally do like an ogre and throw me off a bridge. We don't need that. It's like, dude, destroy me. Anyway, we're just playing around, but anyway. He has some really good videos on how to make shadows and crawling claws. Like, they're really good, really simple. I also have a pretty simple idea as to how to go about making them, and I hope you guys like basically what I've come up with, because to me it seems like it's a pretty straightforward thing, and plus a little bonus thing at the end. Scratch that, I'm a complete moron. That's for a different video. Anyway, moving on. Basically, I'm going to show you some pictures. These are going to be very simple, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But still, go check out Dave O'Gara's channel, Miniature Mashups. I'll put links down below, because the good dude has some awesome stuff. He's even doing cartoons, and honestly, without his channel, I probably wouldn't even have one, because let's face it, I'm too dumb to get through my own channels without rambling like a complete moron. I would never been able to figure out... I'm sorry, I got belches apparently. I would never been able to figure out how to turn HeroClix into some awesome miniatures. But still, bullcrap aside, go check out his channel, and let's roll onto the table before I make an ass of myself. Again! Alright everybody, now to basically start off, if you've been to the Dollar Tree any time past a couple of years, you've probably seen these big bags of zombie figures. And they're not too bad. They're a little goofy in some areas. This picture right here shows them all spread on my bed, because my table was occupied by a big fat cat, which you have seen. But anyway, as you can see, I've got them separated here as to which ones will be drafted for this craft. And as you can see, here they are next to some figures that I have painted, and they're basically pretty big. The zombies are pretty big compared to these. Are more 35 millimeters, I think. I could be wrong about that. And so unless you need some giant zombies, they're a little too big. So we're going to take these crawling zombies look pretty gnarly, and they got some pretty big hands on them, so they're going to be good for these crawling claws. And we're going to take these female zombies, which have their hands in the air. Don't really know why. Maybe they just don't care, or maybe they got a cop pointing a gun at them or something. I don't know. Maybe they're running at the cop screaming, gonna blow them up or something. I don't know. What are the people who sculpted these? They, I don't know, must have just thought it was a good idea. But anyway, they have been drafted for this craft, and they're gonna be donating their hands. We're simply just gonna chop those off and glue them to these little tiny washers like you see so. Next picture here, you see them painted up, but that's pretty much all I did with them. I will be doing a brown wash on them. Unless I don't. Yeah, I will be doing a brown wash on them to kind of make them look a little more dirty, like they've been in the dungeon or something. Basically, it's just like some green paint and some gray paint for the bases. That's about it. Very simple. And for the ghosts, I found these HeroClix called Flatman. I recently got a big haul of HeroClix from my local shop, Hero Clash Collectibles, and I got a big old box of them for $25, and I lucked out all to hell, and I'm very happy with it. And there was 2 of these guys in there, and they worked perfectly for shadows. All you got to do is strip the paint off them. And they're this nice clear plastic. They could work for a lot of things. I just spray painted them black, and after putting them on bases, as you can see here, and they are done. Really simple, really easy craft. And yes, like I said, you can do Dave O'Gara's type of craft, but I didn't have any of the plastic that was needed to do the whole shrinking shadow thing. But these right here will get me through a lot of games, and my friends have already found some pretty interesting ways to use them. They could also double as doppelgangers or something like that, some sort of shape-shifting creature. But yeah, that's basically it. Alright, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that craft. These little easy to do crawling claws and shadows. You think I'd be used to this by now? Holy crap, I'm having the biggest form of deja vu. Moving on. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, tell me down below. If you didn't, also tell me down below. Because I likes to talk to you, and I'm like Parthenax. I'm a sucker for conversation. I never know when to shut up. Plenty of proof of that. But anyway, like I've said, and I'm going to keep saying it, check out Dave O'Gara's channel for some awesome stuff. His videos are actually good. They're funny. He's genuinely funny. He's not just me calling myself an idiot because people like to hear people insult themselves. But anyway. How many times am I going to say that in these videos? Anyway. Moving on. Check out his channel. Links down below. Links to everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Or at least found it comical in some way. Informative, maybe. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm being summoned. See you guys.